guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing torso twist with the cable machine and a resistance band. So when we do these, we want our band or our cable setup just to be at our upper torso. And we can either loop one side and the other or use both handles on a band, just depending on how tough the resistance is. When we do these, we want to take a couple steps away from our base. Make sure that your feet are below your hips. You might have a slight bend in your knees. I just want you to feel very comfortable standing here because it's quite a bit of resistance just standing here, keeping your torso from turning back towards that base. So that's going to get our core engaged on its own. And then from there, we're just going to keep our hands close to our chest and twist away from the base. Make sure that you do the same number on one side as you do on the other side. And for more excellent core strengthening exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.